Text, LG phone.
Types of settings on an LG phone.
Icons on the home screen of a phone.
Your LG phone has a number of settings that you can use to customize your phone to your needs.
A red circle around the settings gear icon.
When you open settings on your phone, you will see categories with subcategories below them. The main categories are network and internet, connected devices, sound, display, lock screen and security, privacy, location, extensions, digital well-being and parental controls, apps and notifications, battery, storage, accounts, Google, system, accessibility, and support. The settings are easy to navigate and customize as desired.
Logo and text, LG Life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.
The logos for Twitter, Facebook, text, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.